Hello and welcome back to our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. This is Helen Godden and today is December 8. Let's have a look at this petal here. It's pointing towards the top of our wall hanging. So we're going to do a little feather style of design. So I'm going to create a slightly curved spine up the middle and back again. And then I'm going to work my way up on one side, creating little curls. Now what I do love about this design is the fact that it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, this one here where I kind of missed stitching back on myself actually creates that curled ribbon effect, which is really appropriate for a Christmas quilt-along. So it looks like the curled ribbons on a gift, and I really like that imperfection. It actually gives us more movement and makes that look really quite organic. So there you go, that's December 8. I'll see you very soon tomorrow for December 9. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Yay!